After that, the preparation of the haloalkane is over. Now we take the preparation of haloarenes. Dear students, haloarenes, that can be chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. Anyone you can take, chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. Only two methods are prescribed in your syllabus. That is the Sandmeyer reaction as well as the Gattermann reaction. First is the, what is that reaction? Sandmeyer reaction. Actually this reaction is very helpful to get chlorobenzene, bromobenzene as well as cyanobenzene by taking benzene diazonium chloride. So in this reaction we take benzene diazonium. It is benzene diazonium chloride. It is salt. This is benzene diazonium chloride. By taking three different reagents like copper chloride, Cu2Cl2 with HCl, Cu2Br2 with HBr, copper cyanide with KCl. In all cases, nitrogen gas is liberated, and once you take HCl, the main compound is chlorobenzene. Once you take HBr, it is bromobenzene. Once you take cyanide, it is cyanobenzene. In all cases, N2 gas is liberated. So this is very easy method to get chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and cyanobenzene. To improve this method, it was Gattermann. So it is known as Gattermann reaction. It is the modified form of Sandmeyer reaction, but yield in Sandmeyer is better. Again we take benzene diazonium chloride is made to react with copper powder, Cu in presence of HCl and Cu in presence of HBr. Only two products are obtained by the Gattermann, and in all cases natural gas is liberated. That is why in this HBr it is bromobenzene and N2 gas is again liberated. So there are two methods that helps in preparing Sandmeyer reaction as well as Gattermann reaction. Gattermann reaction is modified form of the Sandmeyer, but yield in Sandmeyer is better than Gattermann reaction. These two reactions will help you when we will discuss amines in this unit. There we will discuss the same thing. So you remember, these two are very important reactions. But the question is, how do we get benzene diazonium chloride? It is again BDC, that is actually benzene diazonium chloride. There is one reaction. With the help of that, we can prepare, that is diazotization reaction. In that reaction, when aniline is made to react with nitrous acids by taking NaNO2 and HCl at 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius or 273 to 278 Kelvin to form, what is that? BDC. This is called diazotization reaction. So what is to be taken in this reaction? We take first NaNO2 and HCl. In the first part, we take NaNO2 and HCl in dilute form, that forms nitrous acid, which is unstable acid. That's why it is prepared freshly in C2. There we take the reaction mixture in C2, SiTu. The first form is, and second form is, you take aniline, it is the NS2 is the aniline, and then you take nitrous acid, HNO2, I just break it in presence of HCl, 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. This is the 2H, 3H and 4H. What is to be lost here? Water is lost. N and Cl. Actually it is benzene diazonium chloride. So how do you get the benzene diazonium chloride? By taking NaNO2 and dilute HCl. That is prepared in the reaction. That is prepared in C2 as a reaction mixture, because nitrous acid is highly unstable acid. So before the reaction, it has to be prepared, and then it is made to react with aniline at this condition, that is 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin to form BDC, and water is lost. This is called as, what the name of the reaction? This is known as diazotization reaction. It's all about the methods of preparation of haloalkane as well as haloarenes. I hope you understand all the methods of preparation.